What's going on, everybody? We had a little spurt of warm days here in Pennsylvania, so I figured I'll take advantage of it and do a couple more things to the car. What I'm doing tonight is something I've been wanting to do since I got the car, but just haven't. So right here I have some Oracle 651 vinyl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some emblem overlays. I'm going to try something on the wheels and both the front and rear emblems. So what I'm going to do, front emblem and rear emblem, I'm going to do a gloss black background. And I know the red stars with the black background are kind of overplayed, especially with the car being gray and having the red Brembos and the red WRX badge on the side. I think it would look good, but I'm not. If you have red badges, I'm not knocking on them, but it just kind of, I don't know. At some point, I want carbon fiber badges. There's a lot of carbon fiber stuff I want with this car. I think carbon will look great with this color. But for now, what I'll probably end up doing is either doing the black background with silver stars, or if I don't like that, do a flat black background with gloss black stars. But what I'm thinking about doing for the wheels is actually, they have the Subaru center cap on them. And what I'm thinking about doing is wrapping the center cap black. This might be poser-ish. They're factory Enki wheels, or Enkai, however you want to call them. They got Subaru emblems in them because they're Subaru factory wheels. But Enkai does make them, so what I'm thinking about doing is putting the gloss black over the emblem, over the center cap, and then putting an Enkai logo in the middle. And see how that looks too. So I'll probably do gloss black with a silver logo. I'll do one wheel, see how it looks. If I like it, I think it'll clean the wheels up a little bit, because I'm going to be running these stock wheels for a little while. Probably till next summer, I'm going to guess. And I might get spacers for them, and so we'll see. I don't know. I gotta get winter tires too really soon. But anyways, I'm gonna start on this. So this may work out a little bit better if I would have used a shop towel or something, but all I have is a microfiber right now. So what I'm gonna do, this is some Chemical Guys Invisible Cleaner that I've just diluted a little bit. I'm gonna clean this thing off with the Invisible Cleaner, which does a great job. And then once I clean it off with that, I'm gonna go over it with wax and tar remover. That will get off any other like little residual wax on there. You don't need a lot. Just go over it really good. Then what I'm gonna do, I gotta see if I have a tack rag so I can try and get some of this lint off here. But then what we'll do is I'll take the vinyl, I'll cut out basically a square to go around this, and then I will take this pretty pink hair dryer, get it nice and hot, and just massage it and try and use maybe like my fingernail to get it into the groove. Once I have it about where I want it, I'll take a razor blade and cut out the circle. Our gloss black is on. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, I think I'm going to go with the flat black stars and see how I like that first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like the Subaru Boxer emblem and put that in rather than the stars. Alright, the back emblem is wrapped in black now. Here you can see there's how the wheel normally looks, and I did the front wheel here, so you can see I think it's going to look pretty cool actually. So we'll see. In order to make the stickers, I'm going to have to get the correct size to fit this, so I'm going to have to measure length and height so I know approximately the size that I need. I'm going to have to do that for the front. I believe the front and back are the exact same size, so I'll just get one measurement, and then I'll get one for the wheels, and then I'll just make 2 of these and 4 for the wheels. And the front and back Subaru logo are 5 inches long by 2.5 inches tall. That is just this part, not the chrome. Had more skill at wrapping, I would get rid of this chrome too. That would be so cool, but I don't think I can do it. I have doubts that I could do that. So I used to have a really nice vinyl cutter, but it broke. So now I am using my fiance's nice little Cricut machine here, which I hate using, and an Apple product, which I hate using, but getting it figured out here. I think it looks good. I don't know, do I like it better than the factory Subaru logo? I'm missing a valve stem. Don't know where that went. I think I do like it better. I think I'll probably use it. So I'll probably do the rest of the wheels. Like I said, it's not a permanent thing. And once I get wheels, obviously, I'm still sort of debating what wheels I want. But I think that gives it a good look. Man, are you serious? That's definitely too big. So I'm going to have to go make 2 new ones, a little bit smaller. That kind of sucks. Okay, I'm not sure that I'm crazy about this, so I think I'm going to go back and do it in silver. It looks funny. It just looks all black. So what I'm doing now is I actually went with the silver, but I'm going to cut it out again in red. And I'm going to leave this background here where the connecting rods go for the behind the stars. I'm going to make red. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm pretty sure I have to basically recut out this entire design and then peel away everything except for the centerpiece there. Here's our finished product. I think it came out pretty good. It's pretty straight, I think. So now I'm just going to go ahead, do that with the back, and then go ahead and finish these wheels. Well, guys, I think the overlays came out pretty good. I think everything looks good and it's even. If you're wondering what vinyl I used Oracle 651, which is like an outdoor permanent vinyl. And so I actually made these stickers on the car a little while ago. Same stickers that I had on the silver WRX. And they've been on there for probably about a month now. And I've washed the car 3 or 4 times with them on, and they're still holding up great. I also used Oracle 651 on my last WRX for the emblem overlays that I made on that. And same thing, it lasted a long time, never had bubbles or anything, never had peeling. So I think it's going to hold up for a while. The wheels might be a little weird because they're going to get really hot most likely. So that might be, we'll see. But I think we'll be all right. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Give me some feedback, and if you want to see more of the car, make sure to hit the bell notification icon after you subscribe, and we'll, follow this journey with me. So I got a lot of plans coming, and hopefully by the springtime I got some big news for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon.